This is a rechargeable electric remote control lawnmower, and I didn't come up with the idea. The idea has been around quite a while, and when I saw a video on YouTube, I said, hey, I can build that, and so I did. But while I was building it, I realized not only how fun it was, but all the applications that it could be used for. For example, I have allergies, so I could use this from 1,000 feet away. There's people with disabilities or people who just want to have fun, lazy people, hobbyists, you name it. There's so many applications. The list is endless. But I'm making this video to show you how it works and how it maneuvers, and I'm also testing it on this park here that the city has neglected a little bit. I think they're going to mow next week, but I'm going to just test it out and see how she does. Thank you for watching. As you can see, it mows pretty well. This grass is anywhere between 12 inches and some places almost 20 inches high. So let's see what kind of range it's got. I haven't tried it before, so this will be our first test. It's pretty noisy because I'm on a street right now. This remote control has 900 feet range. That run I probably went about, I don't know, 60, 75 feet, I don't know. It's pretty far though. But let's check it out. Let's see how it works. Whoops. Okay. Well, we know the safety feature works because when I dropped the remote, it didn't turn on. So here's the on and off switch for the receiver. This is the master on and off switch. Let's go ahead and turn these off now. that is the charger. It's 24 volt. It's a 24 volt system. I took the wheels, the motors, the charger, and the casters off of one of these wheelchairs. This brace is from a treadmill that I got off of Craigslist for free. And actually, let's go ahead and turn this back on because I need to show you how the switch works. Now this switch is how you turn the mower on and off. See? Oh, I need to turn the power on. Oh, good old safety device working again. There we go. So when I use it, I hold it, and if I set it down, it turns off. This is a Sabertooth 2-motor 25 amp controller, and this is a TTX 600. These are Lego blocks. I have 6 children, so we have a lot of those laying around, so it's a lot of fun to fabricate with those. There's the receiver that came with this remote. This is my first remote control project. I've never done this before. It's pretty simple. It's pretty straightforward. The Sabertooth motor controller has simple directions. This transmitter and receiver combination I got offline, or online, excuse me, and it had directions. They're not made specifically for each other, but they work for each other. I didn't have to weld anything. I didn't have to solder anything. Everything was pretty much plug and play. Again, the directions are pretty straightforward. I'll put some information and some links in the description, so if somebody wants to make one of these, they can. I'd be happy to make one for you. It's just a matter of getting the parts and putting them together. I could also make this with a gas-powered lawnmower. So again, the possibilities are endless. The applications are endless. And if you have any questions, feel free to message me. Thank you.